Good morning children. Welcome to today's class. Yesterday video not sent, today we sent. So yesterday's diary work, today you can write. Today's diary work, tomorrow you write and you can send. Tomorrow or Monday. So yesterday I said 1 to 5 problems. I given diary work. Today 6 to 12 problems. Afterwards I will write on the board. So today's listen. Today I will explain 13th question. 6 to 12 homework. So 13th question. Which of the following when you round off to the nearest thousands is 38,000? 38,000. 13th question. Option A. What they given? 38,400. Option B. 38,500. Option C. 38,600. Option D. 38,700. So here, which of the following when rounded off the nearest to 1000 is 38,000? So see here, go through options. If in these options, which one if you round up thousands place, it will become 38,000. See here, first option what they given? 38,400. Which place we have to round up? Thousands place. So 1000 place when you are rounding before digit, hundreds digit, we have to see here nearest 1000. So 4 is there. Then what we have to do? No need to add one, write as it is. So remaining 3 places make it 0. If you check option B, 38,500. Here hundreds place what have 5. So we have to add 1 to thousands place. So it will become 39,000. Option C, like this it is also 38,600. So here hundreds place 6 is there. So we have to add 1 to thousands place. It is also, you will get 39,000. Option D, 38,700. Nearest to thousands. So if you round off thousands place, which one you have to see? Hundreds place 7 is there. So we have to add to thousands place. So remaining make it 0. So we need 38,000. So which option is correct? Option A. Option A is correct. Next question. Next question. When 1787 is rounded off to nearest tens. So which number they given? 1787. This one we have to round up to nearest tens. Nearest tens digit what I have here? 7. So we have to see ones place. Ones place digit what have? 7. So 7 is greater than 5. So we have to add 8 1. So if you round off to the nearest tens, what you will get? 1708 plus 1 9. Ones place you get 0. So 1790. So which option here? Option A is correct. Next 15th question. Estimate 636 plus 988 by rounded off the nearest tens. Rounded off the nearest tens. 636 if you round off to the nearest tens, what you will get? 636. So which digit you have to see? Tens place you have to round off. Which digit you have to see? Ones place what have 6. So we have to add 1. 640. Next 988. So what you will get? Tens place if you round off. Ones place 8 have 1. So 988. 90. Now both if you add 640 plus 990, what you will get? 640 plus 990. How much you will get? 0. 9 plus 1, 4, 13, 16. 1630. 1630. Option A. Next 16th question. The number of zeros in 10 crores. First, how we will write 10 crores? 10 crores, how many digits are there? You have to check it once. 10 crores. See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So, digits they ask. The number of zeros are digits only. The number of zeros in 10 crores. We have to count only zeros. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, in 10 crores, how many zeros are there? 8 zeros. In 10 crores, they ask zeros. So, how many zeros? 8 zeros. Digits means 9 digits. 8 zeros. So, option D. 17th one. 1 million is equal to. 1 million is equal to. $1 million is equal to. See, already we know Indian system and international system. 10 million, 100 million, billion, like this we will get. It is international system. In Indian system, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. After you will get lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, 100 crores. So what they asked? 1 million is equal to dash. So 1 million is equal to what we will get? 1 million is equal to what you will get relation? 10 lakhs. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. So option B correct. In the international system, the value of 10 lakhs. Value of 10 lakhs. In the international system, value of 10 lakhs. Same this question only, no? So value of 10 lakhs in international system, what you will get? 1 million. So option C. 1 million. Next 19th one. 10 million is equal to. 10 million is equal to. What you will get? 10 million. 10 million is equal to. What we will get? 10 million is equal to. See here. 1 crore. 10 million is equal to 1 crore. Next 20. 1 crore is equal to. Same question. 1 crore is equal to. How many millions you will get? 10 millions. 1 crore is equal to 10 millions. So homework problems, once you check it. If you have textbook, you go through textbook. Who didn't have textbook, for them I am writing questions. Once you check it. Diary work. Diary work. Sixth question. 57,340 dash 43,125. What you have to use? Less than or greater than or equal. Which is suitable? Write in that blank. 7th one also. 53,617 dash 56,148. Same, use less than or greater than or equal symbol. Next, write ascending order. Write ascending order. Ascending order. 847, 9,754, 8,320, 571. You arrange in ascending order. Next question, descending order. Right, descending order. Descending order. So Given numbers 5,000, 7,500, 85,400, 7,861. Next 10th question. Smallest 3-digit number is. Smallest 3-digit number is. 3-digit number. Next 11th question. The smallest 3-digit number. The smallest 3-digit number. 3-digit number formed by using the digits. 2, 5 and 7. 2, 5 and 7. So which one you have to write? Smallest 3-digit number. We have to write by using the three digits. Next, last question. The smallest 8-digit number is. 8-digit number is dash. So today's diary was this one. Write and send it Monday, no problem. Otherwise tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day.